I live in near in Mactan, New Town. You know that place? I am 32 years old. I have two brothers and one sister, but all is have a live-in partner now. You know that I am single mother. I have one son. He is 8 years old, coming 9 this next month. Then you know that I am looking for a good man, a responsible man. I'm looking for a long time partner, a serious one, not for a fling fling, not for that. I'm just a that I'm serious girl. Then um that I'm always looking for a good man. Then I hope that is that you. I hope that because I'm looking for a very long time, but I hope that this one is that you, a real man for me, one for me, a destiny man for me. Nice meeting you. Thank you.